What's good, guys? Mad zoom on my head right now. Yeah, I can't believe it actually went through the suit. Someone's wearing a Motofam shirt.
Oh, sorry, Motofam shit.
World exclusive. Fat mess. Okay. Enjoy. Long time subscriber, Motofam. Yeah, it's true though, isn't it? You know? And we got the Z125s come out for another little day. They got a little two-stroke thing with like clip-ons and stuff like that for about having to go and that, but it's like double the price, so I thought now.
Oh shit, I'm fucking in first. Feel a lot better at my left. So dizzy. I'm so dizzy, it's ridiculous. Alright, here we go. Elbow down time. So dizzy. Getting a cramp and I was like, no, keep going. I was getting a cramp towards the end and I'm like, no, keep doing it, and I swear to God, I'm going my leg right now, so I'm stretching it. I'm wearing out my slider. You can feel the back tires starting to slide out. One more.
Is it close? It feels close.
Right. Maybe 20%?
It's like your bum is like here, isn't it?
I need like a Thai massage.
Too far.
Do like 50% down.
Back tyre starts moving, I can't get there. Close enough. I'm happy with that.
Maybe you have to lean more. Like, it's so close, like.
You see the back tyre then?
Yeah.
The back tyre starts moving, innit? It starts to slide out. So I'm kind of at the limit there.
You're like 90% down.
I know, it's just like, I feel like I'm just gonna go like,
Gonna go, innit?
And then crash. Yeah.
And it's spun out. Like he changed his personality, like the way he is.
Yeah, I can't believe it actually went through the suit. Actually go through the suit. Through the suit there. Why are you laughing? Yeah, you're just laughing while you're filming. It's like I look like a dickhead, innit? You're not telling me that I look like a dickhead.
No, you look good.
I look good. That's a lie. That's a lie. If she says I look good, that's a definite lie.
What now?
Yeah, she said I look good. That's a lie.
Alright.
That's
I'm gonna call it a day.
Game over.
I'm gonna call it a day.
There's a good 15% extra horsepower there.
Yeah, man.
Pure horsepower gains.
Yeah, man. Pure games.
Don't you deny it. Straight facts.
Meow, meow, meow. You pet me. Meow, meow, meow. We take you home. Take you home.